Imagine walking into a wine cellar that feels like a cozy boutique tasting room. Shelved bottles framed by moody accent walls, soft chandelier lighting casting a golden glow on glassware, and a tasting nook ready for slow-sipped conversations. Today, I'm sharing 10 creative and practical design ideas to elevate your wine cellar into an oasis of climate-controlled elegance. From ideal storage systems and lighting to temperature control, decor, and tasting spaces. Whether you're starting from scratch or renovating, these tips will help you craft a wine sanctuary that's beautiful, functional, and worthy of every collection. Let's uncork the potential of your space.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How can climate control ensure optimal aging? Maintaining consistent temperature and humidity is crucial for aging wine properly. Aim for a cool 55°F to 58°F and 60 to 70% humidity to preserve cork integrity and enhance flavor development. Install a dedicated wine cellar cooling unit. It can be wall-mounted, through-the-wall, or split system based on your layout. Use digital thermostats with alarms for peace of mind. Insulate walls and ceilings with foil-faced insulation to prevent temperature loss. Choose sealed glass doors to showcase your collection while maintaining climate control. A reliable system keeps your cellar tasting worthy year after year. Why choose the right racking based on your collection type? Wine storage racks determine both function and feel. For long-term cellaring, look for deep racking that stores bottles horizontally by vintage or region, each bottle snug and label visible. For showpieces, integrate face-out display racks with dramatic slanted display cubes or highlighted ledges above tasting height. Consider angled cradles for magnums or collector statuses. Use modular or custom-built racks with built-in lighting and labeling strips for easy organization. Whether your cellar holds diverse small batch wines or a few treasured vintages, the right racks create beauty and structure. How does layered lighting elevate ambiance and function? Lighting sets the mood and accentuates design without warming your wines. Start with dimmable overhead LED recessed lights using low heat bulbs. ADD strip lights under rack edges for gentle shelf glow. Consider LED puck lights over face-out displays for dramatic effect. Include sconces or uplights for wall accents. Install a dimmer or smart control to adjust brightness during tastings. Avoid direct incandescent or halogen lighting. They can heat the cellar and damage wine. Well-designed lighting showcases your collection and creates an inviting tasting atmosphere. What flooring and materials balance aesthetics with climate readiness? Cellar materials need to withstand humidity and temperature shifts. Opt for sealed, natural stone tile, luxury vinyl, or concrete epoxy for durability and low maintenance. Avoid wood that can warp. For warmth, layer a moisture-resistant rug in the tasting area, but keep it removable. Use stone or tile accents on walls or behind racks for texture and elegance. Metal accents like brass handles or iron hardware complement wine hardware. Opt for drywall or stone veneer walls. Painted in deep jewel tones to enhance mood and hide humidity marks. How can a tasting area make your cellar more inviting? A dedicated tasting station turns storage into experience. Include a small bar height table or built-in ledge with 2 stools. Add an under-counter wine fridge or cooler drawer for ready-to-pour bottles. Install a sink and glass washing station with hidden plumbing or decorative crusting. Provide a stemware rack overhead or under the ledge. Include a tasting notebook, decanter, and wine opener within reach. Soft lighting above the table and a mid-century modern chandelier create mood. This setup encourages leisurely tastings and meaningful conversation right in the heart of the cellar. How does smart organization elevate usability and flow? A smart cellar feels effortless to use. Install modular wooden row separators, clear labeling systems, or digital inventory apps linked to QR codes on racks. Group wines by varietal, region, or drinking window. Reserve a section for daily drinking bottles at easy reach. Include climate-controlled bins for special reserves. Add built-in drawers for open bottles, corkscrews, and decanters. Keep tasting glasses and serving tools stored near the tasting nook. A well-organized cellar minimizes search time and draws guests into effortless enjoyment. Why include decorative features to express personal style? Half of cellar design is personal character. Add a chalkboard wall or corkboard for tasting notes and upcoming collection highlights. Frame vineyard scenes or wine art prints in simple wood or metal frames. Install a decorative wrought iron arch or gate at the cellar entrance for old-world charm. Use custom etching on glass doors. Monogrammed, vineyard-inspired or silhouette motifs. Add faux stone column accents alongside racks, or brick veneer behind racks for rustic appeal. These design elements convey a curated atmosphere that reflects your personality and wine journey. Why prioritize insulation and vapor barriers for longevity? A properly sealed cellar resists mold, maintains temperature, and protects structure. Install an effective vapor barrier on walls and ceilings behind your finish layers. Use closed cell spray foam or R13 insulation in exterior walls. Seal around the door frame and any penetrations. Ensure glass doors are insulated double pane. Add an automatic door sweep to reduce air exchange. Proper sealing extends equipment life, avoids mildew risk, and saves energy. It's invisible work that keeps your space and wine collection protected in the long run. By combining precise climate control, elegant storage, layered lighting, quality materials, inviting tasting zones, personal decor, smart organization, essential insulation, refined accessories, and thoughtful finishing touches, you can craft a wine cellar that is both functional and stunning. Start with one element, a cooling system or tasting nook, and build toward your full vision. The result is a curated sanctuary where your collection ages beautifully and your enjoyment takes center stage.